Good morning. Welcome to Darlington Raceway. I'm Tina Rollins.
This week we visit the National Motorsports Press Association Hall of Fame. This museum was originally dedicated to Joe Weatherly in 1965. Let's check it out. The first display we come to is a car driven by Johnny Mantz. He was born in 1918 and would become the first winner of the Darlington Southern 500. Next up, a local racing legend, Cale Yarbrough. He would run his first race in the 1957 Southern 500. He would have 560 starts, 83 wins, 319 top 10s, and 69 pole positions. From Denton, North Carolina, Bob Welburn. He would go on to win the 1956, 57, and 58 NASCAR Convertible Division. 1999 Winston Cup Rookie of the Year, Tony Stewart. Seen here is his car from the 2006 IROC Championship. And here you'll see a car driven by Jim Reed, Illinois native. He had 106 races in his last win, 1959 Southern 500. Prior to the 1987 season, Harry Ranier tapped Davey Allison to replace Cale Yarbrough to drive the number 28 Ford Thunderbird. With 58 career NASCAR Cup Series victories, this puts Kevin Harvick at 9th place on the all-time winners list. Along with 3 Southern 500 wins, Dale Earnhardt would go on to win 7 NASCAR championships. Founder of the Alabama gang, Bobby Allison, would have 718 starts and go on to become the 1983 Winston Cup champion. Other cars on display are those of Buck Baker, Tony Stewart, Denny Hamlin, Mark Martin, the King Richard Petty, and one of my personal favorites, David Pearson. The next section of the museum has helmets, fire suits, different apparel worn by the drivers and owners during the races, jackets from the teams, and even has a section of confiscated parts. There are also interactive displays where you can learn more about the inductees. Let's listen to Eli Gold talk about David Pearson and check out some more of them.
David Pearson burst into Winston Cup racing like a rocket. After winning the rookie title in 1960, Pearson teamed with Ray Fox to win the World 600 and 2 more events during his sophomore year. His career spanned 27 glorious seasons that saw him win 105 Winston Cup victories, second on the all-time win list, along with 3 championships. His tenure from 1972 through 1979 with the Wood Brothers skyrocketed his fame. He won 42 super speedway races and 51 pole positions with the Woods. They won an amazing 11 of 18 races in 1973. David Pearson was inducted into the NMPA Stock Car Hall of Fame in 1991. Above are his driving uniform and helmet.
And we couldn't leave out Awesome Bill from Dawsonville. In a 37-year career, Bill Elliott would have 828 starts, 44 wins, including 3 trips to victory lane in the Darlington Southern 500. And on display is the 1985 Ford Thunderbird piloted by Elliott to win the Southern 500, winning the Winston Million and earning him the nickname $1 Million Bill. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you again next week.